Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful smushy nail and nail stamp design. So I'm going to paint some white polish onto a sandwich bag. And I'm doing this because I want to show you that you don't have to spend money on a nail mat if you don't want to. It's really simple to recreate this design. And it's really easy. I have to say, smushy nails are really easy to do once you get the hang of them. They're really easy and they give you such a nice look onto your nails. Then I'm using a water marbling tool for this, but you can use anything with a point. And I'm going to swirl the colors together. I don't want to overdo it because I don't want to mix the colors. I just want to give it a nice design to it. And as you can see, I used the clear jelly stamper just to smush the colors. And then I'm just going to press it onto my nails. Now, if you want, you can dab it onto your nails several times to get the color that you want. But I just thought this looked really good. It gave it a water marble look to it. Then I'm going to apply some black polish onto my Cici and Sisi nail plate. Now, you don't necessarily have to add a nail design or a nail stamp design onto it, but I just liked it because I love the colors through the design. But like I said, you don't have to add a stamp design to it. Smushy nails look good on its own, especially when you add different colors and things to it. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.